Hello guys, Jehun is here. So every day of the week I'm sharing a little bit interesting facts about that day. Okay, today is the Wednesday, so I'm starting this from Wednesday. So I'm hopefully gonna cover all of them, all the days of the week. So Wednesday is a hump day in Western societies, specifically thinking that the Monday and the Tuesday is very much stressful days. Everyone is on their emails, everyone is shouting, everyone is sending all their hard emotions over the emails, over the meetings. So Wednesday is like is getting ready to go to the weekend. So it's like it's like shooting position for the weekend for everyone. So that's why it's very happy day for everyone. And there is an interesting survey about the Wednesday. There is a survey that says that if you want a pay raise or a position, uh, like get promoted, Wednesday exactly the day that you need to go to your boss and ask for the pay raise or the promotion. Okay, so why? Because on Wednesday stress level goes down and senior leadership will be more receptive. They are very much open to the any kind of ideas, any kind of let's say nice emotions, let's say. So that's why it's a perfect time for you to go and ask for a pay raise and emotion. So if you are someone who is watching to this video, if you are interested or you are looking for a pay raise, Wednesday is your day, guys. So you go and ask for a pay raise or the promotion on specifically in the Wednesday. I didn't test it yet, but if you test, put your comment how it reflects. I hope that nobody will be fired, guys. So just interesting fact I read about this and wanted to share with you. If you like the video, just share this video with your friends as well, and also in your social circle, so it can get more traction in a way. Take care, guys. I will share the other videos on the about the day of the weeks, and stay tuned. Bye.